This allows coffee shops, hotels, shopping centers, airports, and many other places to access public Wi-Fi for free to customers. So this is a way to check email, catch up with social networks, or surf the internet. It's a convenient way to do this. Get off. However, cybercriminals often spy on public Wi-Fi networks and intercept data sent over the link. In this way, criminals can access their users' accounting language, and other valuable information. Here are some useful tips from a research team of internet security experts. Public Wi-Fi is inherently insecure, so be cautious. Laptops, smartphones, and tablets are all vulnerable to the wireless security risks. Don't assume that Wi-Fi link is legal. It could be a false link set up by a cybercriminal who attempts to capture valuable personal information from unsuspecting users. Ask everything and do not connect to unknown or undetected wireless access points. Some false links set by malicious users. There is a connection name that intentionally resembles the location of a cafe, hotel, or event, and offers free Wi-Fi. If you are able to talk to employees in a location where a public Wi-Fi connection is provided, ask for information about the legitimate Wi-Fi access point, such as the connection's name and IP address. When establishing a connection to a public Wi-Fi network by using a VPN, use a private tunnel that encrypts all data running over the network. This helps prevent cybercriminals lurking in your network. We recommend all of you to avoid logging into websites where there is a chance that cybercriminals could capture your identity, passwords, or personal information, such as social networking sites, online banking services, or any websites that store your credit card information. You need to access a website where you store or enter confidential information, such as social networks, online shopping, or online banking sites. It may be worthwhile accessing them via your mobile phone network instead of the public Wi-Fi connection. Make sure all devices are protected by strict anti-malware and security solutions and update as regularly as possible.